Hi guys, this is Anderson. Today we're going to learn about the name of the fruits. I'm going to learn about the name of the fruits. So follow this video. After 2 minutes, I'll be back. Okay guys, we're going to learn about the name of the fruits today. Apple, orange, mango, pineapple, lemon, cherry, grapes, custard apple, grape, melon, peach, lychee, pear, raspberry, strawberry, sapodilla, passion fruit, banana. Now I'm going to repeat very slowly to give you some space to repeat after me. Let's go. Apple, orange, mango, pineapple, lemon, cherry, grapes, raspberry, strawberry, sapodilla, passion fruits, banana. Okay guys, keep watching this video for the next video coming.